Hello everyone, this is Siddiq here. I'm creating the second video on installing a Linux VM. So when we're installing a Linux OS, we can directly install it on our desktop or laptop. And there is also an option to install the VM on VMware Workstation or maybe Rack or VirtualBox, anything like that. So we'll be installing the Linux OS on the VMware Workstation. So this is the URL where we can go and download the VMware Workstation. Once you open this URL, you can go down and there are two options available. This is the latest version of Workstation available right now, 14. So we can download this for Windows or Linux. So we went ahead and downloaded this for Windows. So we can download this for Windows. This is around 500 MB of file. So once you downloaded this, just double click on this. And this will start the installation process for us. You can click on next to proceed further, accept the agreement, next, here we are getting the option to upgrade the workstation because we already installed the workstation. If you are not installed it, you will get an option to install it instead of upgrade. So I already have the VMware Workstation available, so I am going to cancel this. You can go ahead and install this. I'll cancel this. After installing the VMware Workstation, the next step is to download the Linux OS. There are different distributions available like Red Hat, CentOS, Ubuntu, etc. So we are downloading the CentOS OS. So go to this particular URL. Once you go there are different options available like everything ISO, minimal ISO. So we went ahead and downloaded this everything ISO. So all the features will be available in this. So far we have downloaded VMware Workstation and CentOS OS, and we have already installed the workstation. Once you install the workstation, you can click on create a new virtual machine to start installing the CentOS, or else you can go to file, new virtual machine. There are two options available. You can make it custom. We'll go with the default typical one. Next, and here you have to browse and select the OS which you have downloaded. So we have downloaded both like CentOS 7 and 6 also. So I will go ahead and select the CentOS 7. Next, this is the location where your virtual machine files will be saved. So if you want to change this, you can browse and change it. Next, so we can select the minimum disk size and split this into multiple files. Next, finish. This will start the installation process of CentOS 7 now. You can see it is already started. I'll pause the video and take you through all the steps. You see it is begin the installation process, so it is going on. We'll wait for this to complete. It will take some time. I'll pause the video in between. Here it is asking us to select the language. We'll select the English United States. Continue. Begin installation. Here we are getting the option to create a user and set the root password. So I will set the root password. Done. We can also create a user during the installation itself. So I'll create one user. Done. So it will go through and install all these 311 packages. It has started performing the post installation setup task now, so we'll wait for this to complete. So it is going through the process. So it is installed successfully. Now it is showing us complete. We have to just reboot it to log in and check it again. So I'm clicked on reboot. It is going through the reboot process now. It will take some time to reboot successfully. So reboot is completed now. It is giving the login prompt. So we'll log in as the user which we have created during the installation and check. So we are able to log in now. So we'll switch user to root, as we have set the root password as well. It's working fine now. You can see it is up just now, showing 0 minute. So we have successfully installed VMware Workstation and CentOS in our machine.